How to schedule a video visit using the JPay app.
Hello and welcome to our tutorial. Today, we will learn how to schedule a video visit using the JPay app on your Android phone. This is a very useful feature, especially if you have loved ones who are incarcerated and you want to keep in touch with them.
What is the JPay app?
JPay is a mobile application that provides various methods of communication between you and your incarcerated loved ones. Among these services is the video visit feature, which allows you to schedule and conduct video calls.
Installing the JPay app.
Before we can schedule a video visit, we need to make sure that the JPay app is installed on your Android phone. 1. Open the Google Play Store. 2. Search for the JPay app. 3. Install the app. After installing, log in to your JPay account. If you don't have one yet, you will need to create an account.
How to schedule a video visit.
Once you're logged in, follow these steps to schedule a video visit. 1. On the home screen, tap on Video Visitation in the menu. 2. Select the incarcerated individual you wish to have a video visit with. 3. You will be taken to a calendar page. Here, select the desired date and time for your visit. 4. Confirm the details and then tap on Schedule. 5. Wait for approval. Please note that all video visitations must be approved by the facility before they can occur. And that's it. You have now learned how to schedule a video visit using the JPay app on your Android phone. It's a simple and effective way to keep in touch with your loved ones. We hope this guide has been helpful and that you find the JPay services beneficial. Stay connected and keep communicating.